How to turn on or turn off use simple characters for text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Now in the messages list, tap on the profile icon at the top. Then go down and tap on messages settings. In here, we scroll down and then tap on advanced. Next, we go down and in here, tap on use simple characters. So tap on the use simple characters toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And here say when you turn it on, you convert special characters in your SMS messages. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key to go back to messages or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.